Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. All right, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner. After that, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down and select See More in Account Center. Next, open Your Information and Permissions and tap on Export Your Information. After that, select Create Export and choose your Facebook account. Now tap Export to Device. Then select Customize Information and choose Messages Only. After that, tap Save and select Start Export. Now choose your date range and select the file format as HTML. Once the export is complete, download the file to your device. After that, open the downloaded HTML file in your browser. So that's basically how you can download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.